Did you know you can now control your LightShark console from Q-Sys? Yes, let's show you how to do it. The first thing you'll do is download the Q-Sys plugin from our website and make sure you have Q-Sys Designer installed. Once you do that, you can double-click to open the plugin and press yes to install the plugin into Q-Sys Designer. Once that's occurred, open up Q-Sys Designer. On the left side, you'll see here we have the user plugins folder for Q-Sys Designer, and LightShark has been installed in there. We'll drag that into our page on Q-Sys Designer and double-click to open the window. Here you can see we have a LightShark console with the 2 pages of executors, the main playbacks and master, and the connectivity. We're going to connect to the LightShark using the OSC controls. This is going to be pretty simple. So we'll go ahead to our LightShark, into our preferences, and into connectivity, to OSC, and we'll take note of the incoming and outgoing ports and make sure we're set to UDP. Now, we'll match those same ports over here, but with the opposites. So in this case, we'll enter the IP address of our LightShark console. I don't have hardware or license included, so I can't fill this out right now, but I'll show you where to get the info. The IP address for the LightShark is going to be the DMX streaming IP address here from the connectivity page. So we'll go ahead and set that first in Q-Sys, and then we'll refer to the incoming and outgoing ports that you've set here. The defaults are 8,000 and 9,000, though mine are set differently and yours may be as well. The biggest key is to reverse the incoming and outgoing ports since you're going from 2 different devices that are pointing at each other. So the incoming port in this example would be 9,000 and the outgoing port would be 8,000. Then, as long as you're on a licensed Q-Sys system, you'll be able to go freely to the executors pages as well as the main playbacks, use them within your Q-Sys system, and watch them respond on the LightShark. Thanks for watching.